Yeah, hi guys. Today topic is how to install the Microsoft SQL Server and SSMS on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let us start the processes. Go to the Google and type like the SQL Server download on Windows 10. Okay, the Microsoft site is going to open. Just double click on it and it is going to open the microsoft.com site will open, and you can see the try SQL server on premises or in the cloud. What and all flavors it is going to give is SQL Server on Azure. We can install the SQL Server on Azure also, and we can install the SQL Server on premises also. And based on your requirement, you can download and you can install it and you start working on it. And our requirement is and pre-specialized edition. We are going to download it, and there is two flavors: developers as well as the Express edition. And now we are going to download the Express edition here because it contains the more features. It is like the how we are going to use it for the production system. No, like this, it is going to give the features. That is the reason we are going to go for the Express edition. Let us click on the download now button, and it is going to start downloading. Okay, yeah, it got downloaded, and once it is downloaded, just right click on it, double click on it, and it is going to ask this question like, do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your devices? And you have to, if you want, you can see the where it has been file has been there, all the details, and you can click on hide also. And you have to choose the yes, and it will minimize it, and uh, it will start. After the click yes, it is going to give these details: the basic, custom, download media, all the stuffs it is going to do. And what we are going to do, we have to choose the basic edition now, as of now, for the practice purpose. Now in the basic edition, what all things we will be getting is: select the basic installation type to install the SQL Server database engine feature with the default configuration. Default configuration it will come. When it go to the custom, select the custom installation type to step through SQL Server installation wizard and choose what you want to install. And there it is going to give the option like the other option. We can change the configuration, default configuration also we can change. We can admin configuration also we can change. And on top of the basic edition, it is going to give the flexibility to the install. Instead of the custom, now my requirement is basic only. I am going to use it basic only. Let us click on this and proceed. And if you click on the basic, and now what is the thing it is going to give is, you must accept the software license term. See the below. Please read the full license term. You just the data collection. If you have the timing means you can read it. Okay, just scroll down. What and all details they are giving, export restriction, all the things. Once you read this, click on accept it. And where the exactly this SQL Server 2022 it is going to install is which location? See program files and Microsoft SQL Server. If you want to change the this particular path, if you want to store it in the different folder or the different drive means, you can choose it here using the browse button. And what is the requirement here is minimum free space should be 6604 MB, and what is the download size is 270 MB. And what you have to do, and you have to click on install. Okay, it started installing the our SQL Server 2022. Now the SQL Server 2022 is going to install now, and it is taking little bit time for us. And how much GB, how much MB it has been downloaded is the two out of 266. This much MB it has been downloaded. Let us wait for it to complete the progress, and the progress bar is here, and it is going to give the progress bar here. Okay, let us wait. Yes, it is about to complete the, yeah, it has been completed, and it started installing this one. Okay, let us wait for it. Might take the 1 or 2 minutes timing, and let us wait. And this progress bar has to reach at the end. Okay, it is going to take 1 or 2 minutes timing. You can see the download has been successful here. Just the installation in progress. Let us wait, guys. Almost half done. And this progress bar has to reach at the end. And it is installing the SQL Server, running the all the required files. It is downloading, and it is installing into our machine. Yes, guys, you can see the installation has been completed successfully, and you can see the connection string. And here, this is the connection string. And SQL administration desktop. What is the desktop? It is showing SQL Server installation log folder is located here. And if you want to see the other details like the installation media folder, here it is. An installation resource folder is here. And if you want to check for the what is the version, like the 16.110 RTM, like this, it is there. Okay. And if you want to check whether it is installed or not, just you click on connect now. It will show whether it has been connected. Yeah. See, it has shown, right? One row has been affected. It means the SQL Server has been installed successfully in our system. And let us go ahead and install the SSMS. Why the SSMS? We need the GUI format to interact with the SQL Server 2022. That is the reason we have to install the click on install SSMS. Okay, just click on the install SSMS. Okay, and see it came here, right? And download. Click on the download button here, and how much it is taking the little bit time. And let us wait, guys, and it will take like the 2-3 minutes, and after that we'll continue, guys. Yes, guys, we can able to see the download is about to complete. It is only the 20 seconds, 15-second left, and after that we have to install the SSMS now. And 7 second and 5 second. Okay, 2 seconds. 1 second left. 0 second left. Okay. Yes. We can go ahead here and we can open the file or double click on it. Okay. Let us open the file. Okay. I have opened it, and see here Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio. It is there. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. Download the SSMS Management Studio only there. Okay. We have downloaded the correct version only. No need to worry about the anything. And see here which path we are location where we are installing it is the C drive, the program files, and Microsoft SQL Management Studio 19. If you want to change the location also, you can change it here. In order to install it, just click install. Okay, it will ask for the your permission. Okay, do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your devices? Yes. And it started installing, and it will take some time, and please wait for it. and SSMS version is 19.1. We are using it. Overall progress it is showing here, and it has to reach the 100% here. It will take 1 or 2 minutes maximum. It will not take more than that. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. I will bring the more videos like this in the future also. Yes, we can see the overall progress. It come to the end, and it is taking the seconds. Yes, what it is saying, the setup is completed. All the specified component have been installed successfully. And now you can close this, and you can close this also. And yes, are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Okay. Now go to the search and type SSMS. Okay. What is this? And SQL Server Management Studio and 19. Just open it. It is opening. Opening it. Let us wait, guys. Yes, it came right. And now in front of us, what has been displayed? And first thing, whenever you will be opening, right, every time it will ask for the server type, database engine, SQL server name, and it is the desktop, and I'll keep it as it. And authentication, what is the authentication and how you would like to authenticate to the server? Like the as of now, I am going to use the Windows authentication. You can use the other authentication also, like the SQL Server authentication, Azure Data Factory, and Azure Active Directory. Based on your requirement, you can choose it and proceed accordingly. Okay. And now I have to click connect. Okay. Now it has been connected now. And you can, apart from this also, if you want to connection for the in the real time, if you go for the others also, you can connect the Object Explorer, disconnect also. You can open the new, all the steps you can do. Okay. And if I want to see what are the database are there, system database are there, and temporary temp DB, MSDB, model, master, all the databases are here. Okay, I will show you. I want to write the queries here. How we can write the queries here? Click on new query. Okay, it is going to give the editor for us like this. Okay, and you can let me make it 200%. It is going to display more visibility for us. And apart from this, you can here also you can go and you can open the new file also. It is going to open the new file like this. You can open and you can do this also. Let us let me create a one database here. Let me demonstrate. Okay, create database, and I will go for the database name as uh, Shivraj. Okay, and give here, and I am going to click on execute it here. Okay, the commands completed successfully, completion time here like this. Okay, if I want to see the where the database is going to, just you go ahead and you refresh it here. Okay, or else you can press on F5 button and go to the database. Can the database diagram, nothing is there, right? So I am going to create the uh, uh, here the nothing table is there, right? So I will go ahead and I can create the table here. Okay. As you can see, the Shivraj database has been created. Now, after the creation of the database, and we have to use the which database we are going to create the table and how we can insert, and we'll see. Let us see and execute this. Use and database name is Shivraj, and let me execute. And I have selected the Shivraj as the database now, and I'm going to create the one EMP table. And what I am going to insert is ID, and int is the data types. And we will select this and execute this one. And now you can see, refresh it, and you can see the okay, create the EMP table. Already object name EMP in the database. Okay, it is there in the database. Okay, so I have already created that. Is there? Let me insert the record into it. Okay, and see the two rows has been impacted, and let us see and whether the data has been inserted or not. Okay, select the data here and see here. I am able to see the data 1 and 2 here. Okay, and we'll see the more details in the other videos also, guys. Thanks for watching this video.